We check the density and viscosity of every batch because consistent ceramic slip is the foundation for producing strong, perfectly shaped ceramic squat toilet pans. The plaster mold slowly absorbs water from the ceramic slip, creating an even wall thickness that gives every ceramic squat toilet pan its final strength and shape. This green ceramic squat toilet pan is still very fragile. We have to support it carefully until it gains enough strength during the drying process. Every seam is trimmed by hand so the ceramic squat toilet pan keeps its exact dimensions and smooth surface before drying. The drying process removes moisture slowly and evenly, helping every ceramic squat toilet pan keep its precise shape before glazing and firing. Even a small amount of dust can affect the glaze finish, so every ceramic squat toilet pan is cleaned completely before glazing begins. We touch up every edge by hand to make sure the glaze is perfectly even before firing. Inside this tunnel kiln, every ceramic squat toilet pan is fired at over 1200 degrees Celsius to achieve its final strength and durability. After firing, every ceramic squat toilet pan becomes extremely strong, water-resistant, and permanently bonded with its glossy glaze. A clear ringing sound tells us the ceramic squat toilet pan has no hidden cracks and meets our quality standards. These custom foam protectors keep every ceramic squat toilet pan safe from scratches and impacts during shipping.
Every package is scanned and weighed to make sure the correct ceramic squat toilet pan reaches the customer.
Every shipment is verified one final time to ensure each customer receives the correct ceramic squat toilet pan in perfect condition.
Once the security seal is attached, this shipment of ceramic squat toilet pans is ready to leave the factory.